Greetings, friends. We're so excited to invite you this Sunday as we celebrate. In every Sunday is a celebration. Every day is a celebration in this new year that we're in. And we are welcoming grace this Sunday. We're welcoming grace and an understanding of what it is to open our being to the experience of grace moment by moment by moment. Do you have a relationship with grace in your own life, with the flow of the infinite in all the ways that it blesses and multiplies good, that it is always bringing its benevolence into play? Well, this is a time for us to come and awaken and welcome that grace, become a receptive spirit for that beauty of grace to bless our lives and the lives of our loved ones. And I know that doesn't mean that we don't have life experiences happening in the moment, but what do we do with them? We still welcome grace in the midst of every circumstance. And when we operate from an inner connection to our infinite self, to an expansive awareness, we create a spaciousness that absolutely welcomes grace. I hope you'll join us to learn more, to share more, to be a part of the welcoming of grace this Sunday at Unity Bay Area, Houston at 10:30 a.m., 1911 Highway 3 South. Come join us. And in the meantime, have a fabulous, joyful, grace-filled week.